So it's about 5:55, exactly 5:55. I don't know if you can see it. Of this beautiful Sunday on the 30th of June. So welcome to my channel YouTube. This one is going to be a breakfast ride and some very informative stuff coming out for all the Interceptor lovers. Good morning everybody to this beautiful Sunday morning. It is going to be a beautiful ride today. Ride kind of vlog. We're doing a breakfast ride going to Anand. Few of our riders who ride 650 are going to together ride to Anand. I'm already about 5 minutes late, so I should be rushing right now. So I keep forgetting every single time. I'm gonna wear my Pro Bikers glove because these guys are very comfortable. So now that we're ready, let's start the vlog. I know. So a beautiful morning, Sunday morning. You have the Gurudwara right there. We were actually supposed to meet here, every single one. I thought I was late, but then the only one that you see is Prashant here.
Hi everyone.
And now we're waiting for all the others to come as well. But I really want you guys to see this. You will not be able to see Ahmedabad like this. Alright, before I go to the next scene, let me give you a brief of it. The one in brown jacket is Harsha. The one standing right beside him is Anurag. And Harsha apparently is calling Anurag. He has no idea. I don't know what was he tripping on. But he basically has no idea that Anurag is right beside him. Also, we were laughing and cracking to every single thing, and the reason probably you'll see not a lot of very good shots. But trust me, it was hilarious, and I know you will understand. This is madness.
Call person. Yeah, he was with him only. He said he's reaching within 5 minutes. Prasun aa raha hai na 5 minutes.
So Harsha, it was, you had to call Prasun and Anurag, by the way. Both.
It's a 40-minute ride, no? Yeah.
About an hour actually.
My mobile is in his bag. Can you take a picture of me?
I will. Done.
हम वही बोल रहे थे. जल्दी आ सकता है. कितना टाइम? 2 मिनट में पहुंचा. अभी उठ के 2 मिनट में कितना टाइम पहुंचा? आएगा ना. वेट करो हम लोग. हाँ वेट. हाँ जल्दी आ जाओ. क्या बोल? अरे यार अभी फोन कर रहे हैं. मैं अभी उठा बोल.
अरे fuck.
रेडी होके आ जाऊंगा. 2 मिनट आ जाऊंगा बोल रहा है. कौन है?
You will trip. You missed. You have no idea what you missed. You have no idea what you have missed.
वो कल ही मैसेज भी किया था. प्लीज
So
मेरे को
Harsha called Anurag.
करवा दो यार.
Who is not here? Who was supposed to come? No, Anurag was supposed to come. No. So Harsha called Anurag. Had a word also with him. तो कितने बजे आ रहे हो?
2 मिनट में आ जाओगे बोल रहा है. लेट्स गो. उसको बोलते हैं
2 मिनट में आ जाएगा.
ये इतना लेट नहीं चलेगा यार. लेट ही कैन कम. जस्ट कॉल हिम मैसेज. अनुराग को रियली वो पहुंच जाएगा. राइट फास्ट. इज नारोल.
हाँ एक्चुअली सही है.
या एंड लाइव लोकेशन शेयर कर दो.
By the way, that is Harsha, guys. किसका फोन ऑफ है? It is super fun. By the way, everybody, that is Prasoon. और कौन बाकी है अब? अब क्या बोला? Okay, done. Super, super.
So everybody is here, right? Except Anurag.
Except Anurag and Viraj. For every single one, that is Anurag.
क्या किसको कर रहा है?
Which Harsha has no idea about. So, मस्त है.
ड्यूड को भी कर लें?
You have no idea what you missed. Who? Huh? I'll show you the whole thing in this.
ग्लव्स काटवा पड़ेगा.
He's standing right beside him, talking to him. He still doesn't have an idea that he's Anurag. Like, dude, you'll trip. It's a comic scene, dude. It's a film wala scene.
This supposed to be in the vlog, right?
Absolutely. Kahan,
Kahan.
can you give me a nice pose as well? Stud boy है लड़का.
No, the Iron Man one. The Iron Man one.
Nice.
So you got Kakita, he got Duri, then I'm Aiga. क्या हुआ इसका? Patola. First year.
Harsha, Anurag. Anurag. हाँ? अनुराग इधर खड़ा है क्या?
इधर ही खड़ा है.
Now that you have realized, congratulations. All these beautiful bikes are lined up here. All the 650s, right opposite to the Gurdwara. हाथ जोड़ के राइड शुरू करते हैं. So let's get going. Stand has to be up. So this is Gallup's Food Plaza, every biker's stop breakfast point every Sunday. And then here comes the Bharat with all the Harleys and Indians. Hello. કેમ છે? શું નામ છે તારું? Vivek. So just kind of chilling and having some breakfast actually. I have my coffee here and we have a mix of everything right here. सबके पेट में सब कुछ जाने वाला है आज. And that's Kahan. And he loves reading as well. I can't. Obviously you can see all the Harleys and Indians and everything. You have now people right there. I don't know if you can see it. Those people are all the sports bike riders, which is massive. I had no idea like you have so many people coming here, and actually it's amazing to see all of these guys having like these beautiful bikes. I didn't even know Khan was there. So, what?
I hope it goes on 340 mph.
Which one do you think is the one? 341 is
No,
this one?
that's the tall speed. Only 3 to 5 are digital, and the rest are the numbers are written. The lowest was 80 kph, and the highest was 220 kph.
Wow, man, I didn't know Khan. I didn't know all of these.
Why don't you go buy a bike that can go 340 mph?
But right now I'm happy with 170. So the fun part of coming to Gallops on the Sunday morning is to see that you get to see a lot of amazing bikes, a lot of riders who are kind of keeping the scene alive. There's so many. All of these are all the sport bikes. So you have all of these ones parked here. That's our gang, by the way. That's a 650 gang. And you have and then you have all these sport bikes here. What are people? And Hannah, to see all these amazing exhausts and all these amazing bikes. And then you have all those massive ones standing right there. All the Harleys and Indians and everything. And I think that's majorly what should keep the scene alive, because most of the time, especially here in Gujarat, I also think that because you don't have a lot of places to go and ride around, you don't really see a lot of interesting riders and a lot of riders who are interested in riding, or a lot of people who are interested in riding. So yeah, that's about it. Also, I wanted these guys to give an update about all of these amazing bikes as well, all the bikes that they have. Guys, अपनी bikes पे चलते हैं. So that's Parth.
सबके बीच में हमारी 650
and 650s are right here. Acha Parth, very quickly, 3 things that you hate about the 650.
There is nothing I hate about, only love.
Only love? There's nothing that you would want to change in the bike as well?
No,
Nothing.
nothing. We know कितना कंबल है हमारा.
But what about you? So that's Anurag, and Anurag rides the GT. What do you think? What do you think about the bike? Anything that you want to change in the bike, or you think it could have been better?
The tire size.
Tire size. Okay, Prasoon. Things that you think can be changed in the bike. You're riding the GT. Something that you hate about the bike. Love तो बहुत कर रहे हैं. What do you hate about the bike?
The gears, probably.
The gears.
Yeah, because it is jamming.
Okay, bro. Your first service is done. Any changes after the service?
Nothing. It was smooth as that.
Smooth as ever. You've already ridden 9000. किया क्या?
Goa, Kerala.
You've already done Goa, Kerala.
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah. So he's killing it with riding and everything. That's Viraj, everybody. Viraj, things that you love about the bike.
This is my first 650cc, more than a 150cc bike. So I love entire bike.
There's nothing that you would want to change.
No.
These are things that I would want to change in mine. One is the fuel indication, because sometimes you don't even realize कि petrol है या नहीं है या ख़त्म हो गया है जो भी है. But that's one. Headlamp. I definitely need to change the headlamp because I keep doing a lot of night rides as well. Foot pegs for sure. These are things that I don't know how can we fix that. I am sure somebody would have an idea, but this is definitely something I want to change, or maybe bring it a bit further, like say the GT. If you see the GT and the difference that you see, the foot peg on the GT is somewhere here, and that's, I think, something that I would want to change as well. So if that works out, I don't think there's anything that I would want to change. It's a very beautiful and a perfect bike. These small nicks and picks, and that's about it. I think we're also ready to leave now. I think, yeah, we'll just gear up and proceed further. That's the plan. We're trying to take some pictures. I don't know if we still have it, but what I'll try.
Hello.
Guys. Alright, so we kind of exchanged gloves. Fuck. So, like you saw, मेरा RE650 का पहला फॉल हो चुका है. I fell down because of the tires. I think the tires just slipped and it was a crazy fall. So if you guys can see it as well, the handlebar is thoda teda. I'll have to get this fixed for sure. The bars here are kind of they've gone inside, so I'll have to get that fixed. I think apart from that, there's nothing that happened to the bike. It's all metal, and I'm so glad that it's all metal because nothing happened. I think I have like a small cramp on my shoulder. I'll have to go home and see it. For now, I don't really want to stop by and check it. So we'll just fuel up and then head home, or probably meet few of them in the middle somewhere. Let's see. Just trying to figure where are these guys. Just got the windshield removed. I'm at Janta actually. I keep coming here on a very regular basis. That's Kunal, everybody. Chalo bro, see you. Bye. So finally home, but there's so much that I would want to talk about the bike. As you guys know, this was my first fall on the 650. I have a shoulder injury, I think, but anyways, having talked about this, for me there are four. One absolutely is the headlamp. It spreads, but it doesn't give you focused light on the road, and that is one definite negative because I have this tendency of riding in the night as well. I do a lot of solo rides and I do a lot of rides in the evening or in the night especially. So that is one. Second are definitely the foot pegs. They scrape the calf like crazy, so that is one, and the shin as well. I've had experience. Third is the fuel indicator. In fact, just yesterday I actually went out, didn't even know how much petrol it is in the bike, and the tank was just empty. And fourth, and the definite one, are the tires. These are amazing tires on tarmacs, amazing city tires, but as soon as you hit off-roads or slush or slippery surfaces, this tire has this tendency of slipping, like literally, and that's what happened to me today. This fall wouldn't have been there if the tires would be at least dual purpose tires, or maybe like better tires. I don't know, they could have done something better with the tires. But these are my four disadvantages or negatives of 650. Apart from that, it's an amazing bike. Even after the fall, you'll see the video, even after the fall, the bike is absolutely okay. I just removed the windshield and probably get it removed tomorrow, or probably get it changed tomorrow, and I'm good to go. It's a complete metal bike, so there's no problem at all. But if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. There's so much of content that we're making, and do leave your comments. At least it'll let us know what better we can do. So thank you so much for watching. Lots of love to all of you.